Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin 1 hour chart. Bitcoin is pushing this upper resistance level at about 25,000, right? We want a weekly close next week above 25,000. But again, quick run above 25,000 to 28,500. So again, very important that the bulls break and flip this level. Otherwise, I mean, there's some bounce ideas down here for a higher low, 23,300 to 22,500, right? So it still would be a bullish idea where low, high, and then higher low, still working on an uptrend. So if we go out to the 4 hour chart, zoom out a little bit and look, previously, when in really bullish situations, Bitcoin will do things you're not used to seeing. And so can you create this large rising channel? And I think you can. I mean, you've got touch, plenty of touches up here, touch, plenty of touches here. Okay, now, do you come and visit the bottom before taking off to the upside? Bitcoin bulls pressing. I mean, I think 7 times they've hit this resistance level. The bulls 25,150, right? So there's a bunch of sellers stacked right here. Also, remember, you got the weekly, and we're going there. I mean, you've got technically a death cross, but more important is overhead resistance of the 50, the 200, and this previous resistance level, right? So there's a ton of sellers right here. Okay, so this is a tough level for the bulls to break. Definitely not first attempt. I mean, potentially it was tested here, but again, a break up to 28,500, quick move if the bulls can overcome this level. Real quick on the daily chart, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's about 4 candles that the wicks are right here, and that's where the sellers are at. But I mean, essentially, you've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. So again, you've had multiple daily candles testing this range. There's a certain amount of sellers right there. You got a golden cross on the daily, but then the weekly showing a death cross. So again, it's all about to happen. I got some amazing shout outs in my trading group. This person, 40% gained in 2 weeks. Glad I joined your group. This person, Carlos, shout out. Best financial decisions he's made in his life. So much value. You gotta be in the right coin. Sellers do it. This person started with 400. Now he's at 22,000. Shout out to Jason. He insane to see everything hit the targets. He's up 2x on a $25,000 investment. So he hit $50,000. I mean, that's a big jump. That's a big jump. But a lot of people, I mean, when you're in the right coins, 150%, 146%, 84, 80. I mean, here's some profits that we post today. This is Sun. SON was a midterm holdback, up 1,300%, 491% gains 6 days after post of CFX. Because Bitcoin's been so bullish, we've had the opportunity for tremendous amounts of upside. And so right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Crazy. It's gem season. Easiest money you can make in the market right now as we speak. You've got to take advantage of the easy money. This is the ES1. And so we talked about this resistance, and the bulls unable to break above it. And again, downside, and I'm looking for downside out of Bitcoin. So at this point, still looking for Bitcoin to follow the ES1. Again, inflation out of control. I mean, it was lower than previous, but market was looking for 6.2% and it was 6.4%. So even though it was lower than the 6.5, I mean, that's crazy amounts of inflation. When they want 2%, they have to continue raising the rates, which isn't necessarily good for the markets. Short-term idea is, will we get some more upside? Will we get some more upside out of Bitcoin? I'm looking at ES1 to be a good indicator. This is the total two. This is all the top 125 altcoins. And again, not a whole lot of movement. Like, this is broken out of this falling wedge, right? Target's way up here. But if you can't get past this level, just a ton of resistance, a ton of sellers right there over the entire crypto market cap. The Ethereum takes off and this thing pumps hard. That's all there is to it. Bitcoin dominance. And so one scenario for the altcoins is that Bitcoin dominance breaks to the downside. However, it looks like you're forming a bull flag. And if you get another move to the upside, a lot of times when you see moves out of Bitcoin dominance, it's going to help you time the moves out of Bitcoin. And so this breaks to the downside and you'll see money flow into the altcoins. You get this another pump higher, you could see a Bitcoin pullback. Okay. I mean, it's hard to tell direction. I mean, you can go either way, but the most important thing is it's going to help you time the move. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.